Today we're going to take a closer look at one of my favorite semiconductor companies, you guessed it, Nvidia. More importantly, we're going to take a closer look at some recent data center news. We can see right now Nvidia's stock price is up roughly 1%. The overall market continues to be very volatile. At one point it was down, another point it was super green. Now we're pretty much up 1%. So there have been two updates about the data center side for Nvidia. One kind of a partnership with Oracle, another one with Meta Platforms. So let's get started with today's episode. But before we get started, at the end of this episode, I am going to take a closer look at a private semiconductor company that if they ever plan to go public is one I'll definitely keep an eye on. Well, now let's really get started.
I do want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video, and make sure to check out fool.com/Jose to get the top 10 stocks to buy right now.
Before we take a closer look at the partnerships, let's try to understand how important data center is for Nvidia, or let's just get a quick reminder. In the most recent quarter, data center was $3.8 billion. Over half of the total revenue came from this segment alone. Obviously, Nvidia is seeing a huge slowdown in the gaming side. I've done numerous updates on that. Make sure to check out previous videos. And I do want to say one thing that investors might be fearful is that, hey, there might be a slowdown in the data center market. But when we take a closer look at partnerships that we heard about yesterday and today, I do want to say it kind of creates a little bit more kind of bullish sentiment to at least the data center market. So on Tuesday, October 18th of 2022, Oracle and Nvidia partnered to speed AI adoption for enterprises. And we're going to take a closer look. This kind of partnership not overall increases the sales for Nvidia in the data center market, but it also gives them an avenue for their software market as well that I do believe is going to continue to be a great reason to invest in this company. So Oracle and Nvidia today announced a multi-year partnership to help customers solve business challenges with accelerated computing and AI. The collaboration aims to bring the full Nvidia accelerated computing stack, a lot of software there, from GPUs to systems to software to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, also known as OCI. OCI is adding tens of thousands more Nvidia GPUs, including the current generation, the A100, and the upcoming H100 to its capacity. Tens of thousands of GPUs is insane. This is a multi-million-dollar deal, again, with one of the big players in the clouding market, Oracle. And I do want to say I don't own Oracle at the moment, but when we take a closer look at a few more articles later in today's episode, Oracle is one that I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on. So outside of purchasing thousands of Nvidia GPUs, Oracle is also going to be bringing the overall software stack to their clouding platform. For example, they are going to be bringing NVIDIA AI Enterprise, which is the globally adopted software of NVIDIA AI platform. Oracle is also offering early access to NVIDIA Rapids acceleration for Apache Spark data processing on the OCI data flow, and they're also going to be bringing NVIDIA Clara, which is a healthcare artificial intelligence and high performance computing application framework for medical imaging, genomics, and natural language processing and drug discovery, and it's also coming soon to OCI. So this multi-year partnership with Oracle, in my opinion, is super bullish for the company and overall the technology that we're going to continue to see. And if you're enjoying the episode so far, make sure to hit the thumbs up as it does help me grow my overall audience. If you want to support a little bit more, make sure to subscribe using my link at fool.com/Jose. Now the second article about the data center market kind of deals with Meta Platforms. So I do own shares of Meta Platforms and I enjoy the company a lot, and one of my favorite reasons is their overall engineering team and their technological move. Here we can see Meta's Grand Teton brings NVIDIA Hopper to its data center. And this is their next generation of AI platform, and it's going to be using NVIDIA's H100 GPUs to tackle major AI challenges. And like I mentioned, Teton uses NVIDIA H100 Tensor Core GPUs to train and run AI models that are rapidly growing in their size and capability, requiring greater compute. So I do partnerships like this are going to continue for NVIDIA, even though the gaming market is definitely taking quite a hit. In my opinion, the data center market, while it might not grow as fast as previously seen, I do believe this is a market that will continue to grow in the long term of things. That doesn't mean every quarter will grow. There could be some quarters that might be flat. There could be some quarters that they might see a slowdown in revenue, but I do believe the overall trend in the data center market is still pretty strong. For me, I have no intentions of selling Nvidia shares anytime soon, and I'm still super bullish in this company. And at the beginning of this episode, I did mention that there was a private semiconductor company that I will be keeping my eyes out, especially if it goes public. And we can see Oracle, the company we were just talking about, quietly pours another $400 million into Ampere. And for those not familiar with Ampere, this is another processor company right now in the semiconductor market. Their solutions are already found in Microsoft Azure, in Google Cloud, in Oracle, in Tencent Cloud. So it is pretty interesting that this is a private company still. I do believe it's great that a company like Oracle is investing in it. And it also kind of gives me an insight that tells me, hey, Jose, maybe you should check out Oracle because they're partnering up not only with Nvidia, they're also kind of pouring investments in other leading technology semiconductor companies. So for those reasons alone, it actually gives me some form of push to kind of focus a little bit more in this company. So in the upcoming weeks, I might be delivering some episodes within Oracle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode. Take care, have a good day, and see you next time.